What's going on, everyone? My name is Torrian Ferguson, and welcome to another episode of THTeaches. Today, I have a good one for you. We're going to be making seafood egg rolls. All right, to make this seafood egg roll, very simple, few ingredients, high impact and flavor. I'm telling you. All right, we're going to start out with egg roll wrappers, shredded cabbage and shredded carrots, chopped shrimp, imitation crab meat, garlic, salt, pepper, and egg. We're going to mix all that together, and when I tell you this is going to be impressive, stay tuned and watch me. Very easy. We got a little bit of canola oil inside our pan. We're going to start out with our chopped garlic. We're going to get that cooking. Garlic is one of them things you got to keep an eye on it, because if not, it'll definitely burn on you. And this, you just want to open up the flavor. That's all you really want to do. You're not cooking it all the way through just yet. All right, you just want to get that flavor, that garlic, to open up a little bit. Give that a couple of quick stirs. If you notice, it's got a couple of little brown pieces in there. They're starting to cook. All right, so now we're going to take our cabbage. We're going to add our cabbage in, carrots. If you want to, you could definitely go to the store. If you don't feel like standing there chopping up, all that stuff, you could go ahead to the store. You can buy yourself a slaw mix. There's a basic coleslaw mix that's already chopped up and shredded up for you. Not a problem at all. The flavor is going to be the same. All right. Now here is where you want to go ahead and add in your ginger. If you want to add ginger to it, put your ginger and stuff in. All your little, your different spices and things like that. How you want your egg roll to taste. Okay, I try to keep mine pretty tame. All right, from here, I add a little bit salt and pepper. And you don't want to cook this cabbage all the way through. All right, you don't want to cook it all the way through just yet. All right, I'm going to go ahead on, add my shrimp in. All right, and this is cooked shrimp. That's another one of them things that don't take long to cook. Right now, we're just heating it up in the pan with the cabbage, just get those flavors incorporated. Like so. We're gonna add our crab meat in. Tell you, this is gonna be better than going out to the restaurant and spending your hard-earned money on it. You can make it yourself right in your own kitchen. Again, you just really want to just try to heat this stuff up. That's all you really want to do. All right, from this point, you got everything going, everything's ready. Just gonna go ahead, drop it in the bowl to the side. And now we're getting ready to wrap. All right, now that we got our seafood mixture set up, we're gonna go ahead and grab our egg roll wrappers. We got it set up right here in the middle. Give ourselves a nice amount of the filling. We're gonna put it right in the middle. All right, you don't want to spread it all the way across or nothing like that. You don't want to do that, because once you roll it, it won't hold. All right, so you're gonna tuck the ends in like this. I'm gonna roll it over like that. You want to roll. Take a little bit of egg here on your fingers. Roll it some more. And you have a nice, perfect egg roll. All right? Be careful with these sheets, because sometimes you can grab 2 and 3 and don't realize that they're very thin. You're gonna do that one more time. Sheet down. Put our seafood mixture right in the center. Maybe that's a little too much in there. Take some of that out. We're gonna tuck our ends. We're gonna start rolling like so. Roll it pretty tight. Again, a little bit of egg on your fingers. The egg is gonna act like glue. All right, the egg is what's gonna keep it glued down. All right, roll it tight. And there you have it. We're gonna do a few more of these and then we're gonna start frying. All right, now that we got our eggs rolled, we're going to go ahead and put them in the grease. All right, now this pan has some canola oil in it, white hot. All right, I'm going to drop it down in there. I try to do it with the end right here, with the glue on it. Try to put that down first. I call it glue, but it's really egg. Get them going. You're going to cook these on each side for just about 2 to 3 minutes. Okay, you just want to get it really crisp. Want to heat up that inside again. You want your grease to be nice and hot. That way your egg rolls are not soggy. All right, because if your oil is not hot enough, then whatever you put in there will just absorb the grease. It'll absorb it, and then you're stuck with a greasy egg roll. No one likes a greasy egg roll. All right, so now we also have some paper towel we put right here. You put that paper towel there, so when we pull this out of this oil, we're gonna let it sit right here for about 30 seconds just to let that excess grease run off. It's gonna soak into the towel, and then we're ready to eat. Okay? So now these are going pretty good. Look at there, look at there. We are looking like somebody. These egg rolls look like somebody made them with love. All right? Like I said, once you make these in your house, you're never, ever going to want to go to another restaurant and order egg rolls, because they're not going to taste like yours. All right? So I'm telling you, this recipe right here will get you talked about for years to come about how great your egg rolls were. Okay? You want to make sure they're evenly cooked on all sides. If you have yourself, you can actually do this also in an air fryer. Okay? You can do this in an air fryer. They'll come up just as crispy. All right? Without all the other oils and all that kind of stuff going on. I'm going to take these out, place them on these paper towels. All right, now that we've taken them off the paper towels, we got them here on a nice plate. Got a couple of dipping sauces. You know, you can use sweet Thai chili. You can use sweet and sour. We have the yum sauce right here. It's 101 different things you could make. I like a lime honey sauce with my egg rolls. I'm telling you, it is phenomenal. Try it out, okay? But again, my name is Torrian Ferguson. This has been another episode of THTeaches, and I'll see you next time.